We go to Apple store, guys. I want to show you there, guys. Okay. Look at this. There's a lot.
13 mini, regular 13, Pro Max.
This is so very big.
Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, guys, we here now, guys, in Farmington. Look at this, guys. Have a lot of car here. Okay, I want to show you, guys.
So late.
Here, guys.
Please lock the door.
Farmington. Here's RJ. You do RJ. RJ, come here. There it is. It's cold here. It's cold, RJ. I'm cold. Look at this. Okay, go. Look at this. Nice here. Have a lot of Christmas light, oh. Parang Christmas dito, guys, oh. Ang daming Christmas light. Ayan.
4 minutes to go.
Here is, guys, the apple. Look at here. Just look around.
Daddy's fun one.
that?
The mini.
How much? Have no price.
Get all these different ones. Look at this. I'm gonna play game.
Here is. iPhone 13.
But if I do it, the 13 mini will be $99 with the 13 with the iPhone 12 Pro.
1,000 plus. 1,000 plus.
I'll just say,
It'll be $99.
wow.
iPhone 13 Pro.
Headphones. Look at this.
Look at this.
All these headphones. I hear something.
You hear? What's you hear? Oh, look at that. Where's the gold color?
It makes a sound that goes. Look at these.
Look at that. Here's the mini.
Where's Daddy?
Not know where's daddy.
Where's the fun Daddy?
Daddy?
Daddy's over there. Let's
Yeah,
go.
go.
Yeah.
So nice. iPhone 12 have no more price. 11. Yeah. What?
You have to look at the computer.
Where is it? Okay. Ooh, look at that.
What type of mouse is this?
Yep.
Weird mouse.
Thank you. How much? Have no price.
And you.
Archie, look at me. Archie, look at me. 27, so
It's
big.
the future of mouses.
Yep.
These are regular mouses. This is like a weird mouse.
Yeah. Okay, we go. Ready, Archie?
Mac Mini.
Yep.
What's a Mac Mini?
Look at that.
So I want
Nice.
the Mini.
iPad.
I'm gonna play games.
No, don't touch it.
Alright.
Here we go. Where's Daddy, Archie?
The Oregon Trail's a game on here? Apple iPod.
Yeah. Please,
Look
guys.
at this case I want.
Here's RJ. Hoping for kissing, RJ. Here's the whole Apple store. What you doing? Ooh, look at that. iPad so big, huh?
Is that iPad?
iPad mini, a home iPad mini. So big.
Look.
Ooh, look at this cool.
Laptop.
Yep, laptop. Have no more price. No more price now here.
Look at it. iPad Pro.
Yep. Let's
How do I
go.
get you off of it? The
Look at that.
iPad is not a computer.
Yep. Look at the iPad Pro. This so nice. Wow, so heavy.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what's this? This is how you charge the pencil. Charging. And then you can do this.
iPad
Look,
Pro.
look, Mommy.
Yeah.
And do all the other stuff. iPad mini. Look how small
Yeah.
it is. Mini iPad.
Hey, that. What's it called?
PS5 control.
PS4 that are doing.
It's a PS5.
A PS5.
A PS5 control.
Yep. I've heard too. Look at this. Have a lot.
Let's so distracted this side. So look at this. Like this.
Here's Apple Watch. Yeah.
reset my password because I couldn't remember.
It's okay na, honey.
8:15.
We do your phone.
You'll come back at 8:15. It took us $49. Let me show mommy so she understands.
This is the
13.
original.
13 mini, regular 13, Pro, Pro Max.
This is so better big. Inside
Let me
up.
see the size if I'm going to buy it or not. It's slippery, you're going to buy a case.
Yeah, you want this.
Oh, you can get the mini.
I think it's time for me to move up a
Yeah,
little
look
bigger.
like bigger the other one.
This is a little bigger than mine because it goes further to the edge.
Look at this. Not charging? Look. You don't need this and that, everything. You just charge it like this.
Yep.
And you can charge your phone like this. You see this thing? Like the watch? Charge it.
Yeah. Like that to charge, I think.
Yes.
What?
What you want to play?
This. I want to play a funny toy. Man, this is ultimately hard.
Ooh, what's that? Ooh.
This is the hardest. This is so. Oh my god.
Oh, again. Yes. Look at this. A station fort. What?
Food for him.
No. Video. I take video. Here is the fountain. Look at that. Look the fountain, RJ.
You have a
Nice.
penny?
Yeah? Here, RJ, take picture. Here, RJ. That there. I take picture, RJ.
Oh, hello.
Here, here.
Can I join?
Oh, look at that. You want to look at?
What are you doing? You going to jump in the water?
Please, Daddy and RJ.
Where's the coin?
Yes. What?
I said I need a coin.
Coins, why?
Put it.
No, we not want that.
There's coins in there.
Okay, we go now. Around, RJ. Yeah. Ooh, look at that, guys. Yep. Hey, come here, RJ. Take a picture. Go, go, go. Take a picture. Up. Go up there. You can go up. Take picture. I can take picture. Here.
I'm going to go over there and walk around.
There he is. It's dark here, I guess. Here's the playground. And then the cinema. Cinemark. The movie theater. It's dark. Here's Daddy. It's dark, RJ. No, RJ climbing.
We'll go in there and get some pizza. The mask on, but she-
Here is Daddy. Cannot see Daddy. Where's RJ? Hi guys, and we done now guys. We done phone Daddy
Replacing battery.
replace the battery.
An iPhone, they gotta do it.
Yep. Because
50
it's
bucks.
50 bucks. My goodness. Expensive that, huh?
Yep.
Okay, that's it for now guys.